Get Cookin. Unveiling baking terms in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson. Today, we're stepping into the kitchen to take a closer look at baking terms. Whether you're an aspiring chef, a culinary enthusiast, or simply love to understand different aspects of the English language, this lesson will surely be a treat. Let's get started. In baking, there are a number of common terms that are important to understand. We're going to break them down and make them easy for you. 1. Bake. This term simply means to cook in an oven. An example sentence could be, we are going to bake the cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Beat. This means to mix rapidly in order to make a mixture smooth and light by incorporating as much air as possible. For example, beat the eggs until they're light and fluffy. 3. Blend. This means to mix two or more ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined. Blend the butter and sugar together until creamy. 4. Cream. This is the process of beating butter and sugar together until it's light and fluffy, which helps to create a tender texture in cakes and cookies. An example sentence could be, cream the butter and sugar together until it's light and fluffy. 5. Knead. This is a baking term used when making dough. It means to work the dough by pressing it with the heels of your hands, folding it, and turning it. Knead the dough until it is smooth and elastic. Now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to some more advanced baking terms. 1. Fold. This term refers to the process of combining ingredients gently without stirring or beating. It's often used when you want to maintain the air in a whipped ingredient like egg whites. An example sentence could be, fold the whipped egg whites into the cake batter. 2. Proof. This is a term used in bread making. It refers to allowing yeast dough to rise before baking. Proof the bread dough until it doubles in size. 3. Dust. This means to lightly sprinkle a food or work surface with a dry ingredient, often powdered sugar or flour. Dust the work surface with flour before rolling out the dough. 4. Zest. This refers to grating the outer peel of citrus fruits to use as flavoring. Zest the lemon and add it to the batter for a citrusy kick. 5. Temper. This is a process of gradually adding a hot liquid to eggs or other foods to raise their temperature without cooking them too much. Temper the egg yolks with the hot milk to prevent them from scrambling. And that wraps up our tasty trip into the world of baking terminology. These terms are sure to give your English a flavor boost and help you feel more at home in any kitchen conversation. Remember, practice is the key to mastering these terms, so don't shy away from using them in your daily conversations or writing. Stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, happy baking and happier English learning.